Our next performance is from a choir from Llanelli in West Wales, Ysgol Ystrade.
Croeso.
Diolch yn fawr. Diolch yn fawr.
Welcome to Songs of Praise, Young Choir of the Year, everybody.
We're all like a big team and everyone likes each other. It's great just we have something we can share with each other and show other people.
Tell me about Christopher, your MD.
Oh, he's great. He's a good laugh. Can be strict, but he's got a lot of love for the choir, so it shows.
I'm thrilled that we've reached the semi-final. It's good to perform in concerts, but when you go to competition, you really need to get things right.
Our hymn is called Prydferth Waredwr. It means beautiful saviour. It's about Jesus and it's a happy song about his resurrection. And although it's in Welsh, we still hope that they'll be able to see how we're expressed in everything.
Okay.
JB Gill, beth ydych chi feddwl o'r perfformiad na gan y cor Cymraeg? What did you think of that performance?
Exactly what I was going to say. No, funny that you should do that, because one of the things, obviously, was with that performance is that you did that in your native language, in Welsh. And I don't understand Welsh, but it really didn't matter. I absolutely loved that performance. For me, it was the fact that it was so controlled. I felt at any point you could literally blow our heads off with your vocal power, and you didn't necessarily need to do that, and you did show elements of that throughout the whole performance, but it was the control that you maintained throughout the whole thing that was really, really impressive.
Carrie, they make a real fulsome sound, don't they?
They certainly do. And what you really want from a choir is a kind of a full paint palette of sounds. You don't just want one sound that's good. It's like a one-trick pony. What I felt with these guys was they gave us the whole paint palette. Not only that, they transitioned between the different colours on their voices technically really well.
course, it's a really well-known worship song, Beautiful Saviour, Stuart Townend. Did they do it justice?
We want to feel that sense of worship. And, you know, the verses of the song are more reflective and contemplative on, you know, the cross and Jesus' sacrifice. And the choruses are our response to that. And we really felt that dynamic contrast coming through. So, well done.
Thank you, judges, and a huge round of applause for Ysgol Ystrade.
How did that feel?
It was great. It was brilliant to have feedback like that, and I'm sure Say's very happy with it. So.
Our best performance, and we saved it right until the last minute. No, die young.
You must be so thrilled to have such glowing comments, and all well-deserved.
Before we hear from our judges, we've brought back onto stage all 5 of our choirs to sing together. Ladies and gentlemen, our senior semi-finalists with conductor Ken Burton. What a wonderful sound.